Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In my Zone 5B garden, I grow palm trees and exotic plants. Of course, in order to survive our harsh winters, any plants that are grown in the ground will receive winter protection. I will put a link below to my two-part video for a more detailed look into my winter protection methods. After 30 plus years of experimenting with dozens of exotic and tropical plant species, the list grows ever longer. And now, the topic at hand, better looking fan palms. In the comments, a viewer questions, why do fan palms, specifically Trachycarpus palms, look so bad in northern gardens? This applies also to any fan palm, including Washingtonia, Livistona, Brahea, etc. Trachy palms can get their fronds beat up by the wind, especially the older, lower fronds. Palms always look better, to me at least, with a full, thick crown. Many palm growers overprune their trees, especially prior to wrapping them for winter, to make it easier on themselves to lash the remaining fronds together. Whether you box them in or you mummy wrap them, there is a better way. Here's a perfect example. This Washingtonia is much wider than many trachys, and like all of my fan palms, fits into a 2-foot square box, or roughly 60 centimeters. This is my secret that I want to share with my fellow exotic gardeners worldwide if you want to have better looking fan palms in the spring and for years to come. Try my wrapping method. I have not seen this method used anywhere else. Now, it is labor intensive, so allow some time prior to covering your palms for the winter. There is a reason why they are called fan palms. Fold individual fronds like this, and then you tie them with twine. Start with the lowest fronds and work your way up. You can pre-cut the twine to 18 to 24 inches or about 50 centimeters, give or take, depending on your frond size. Do not tie them too tightly. You will learn as you go. After all the fronds are tied, starting at the top with the youngest fronds, tie 3 or 4 petioles together, and you tie them towards the center. Work your way down till all the fronds are done. You will require some heavier nylon rope, for example, to hold the petioles together. I should mention, be very careful with palms like Washingtonia, Brahea, which have teeth along the petiole edges. Do not rush this step. Once complete, wrap your C9 string of lights for heat, making sure that the bulbs face outward, not touching the fronds or leaves. Now, leading up to winter, ensure that your plants are well fed and watered through the season. Healthy and stronger plants will survive the winter much better. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you have enjoyed this video or learned something, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Please give us a like. And until next time, happy gardening.